Hey guys, it is Desiree with WTI, and I have an amazing ice roller from Sdara Skincare. So if you are looking for something to help maybe calm the skin or even with sore muscles, this is the ice roller that you need. It offers a great cold massage that's going to help refresh and calm your skin. But not only that, it has some additional benefits. You are going to be able to help reduce puffiness around your eyes, on your face. I also love to use it if I happen to start getting a slight headache. The cold on it just feels so good on my head. Now, another great benefit is because of the size of it, you can even use it on your body. I used it around my neck and shoulders, and oh my God, the massage with this ice roller is amazing. So don't miss out on picking up this amazing ice roller. And not only that, is super easy to use. All you have to do is store the roller head in the fridge. It's going to get nice and cold. And when you're ready to use, just pop it on. Also, right after use, just clean it with soap and water, pat it dry, and just stick it in a container and back in the freezer. It goes ready for the next use. So I promise you will not regret purchasing this, but that's just my point of view.